So, welcome back everybody to Taylor's Border Campervan. Today we have another video for you, a little short one. This one's going to be another preparation video. We're going to try and prepare our lighting, so our 12 volt lighting, which will be downlighters, just like you have from Narrowboat. And yes, we've got to run these wires through and drill holes through the wall and run switch wires down, just in preparation for when we're going to put the roof back up. But when we put the roof back up, it's going to be very difficult because we have to drill the holes out for the wires to run through. But this video is just going to be Dad wiring up the 12 volt lighting, and I really don't have any experience with 12 volt lighting or any electric things like that, but Dad has a little bit of experience, so he sort of knows what he's doing. But if there's any electricians watching this, just know that Dad has quite limited experience, so he doesn't know exactly what he's doing, but he knows roughly. You'll see him biting wires more than anything in this video, which is a big no-no, of course. But yeah, trust me, 12 volt is not wired up to any batteries at the moment. If you'd like to know what I'm talking about, I have obviously the envision of exactly the layout in my mind of this campervan. I know exactly where the walls are going to go, furniture, beds and all that. Dad doesn't, even though I've showed him 1,000 times on this 3D van conversion thing that I used. Anyway, yeah, if you didn't watch that video, go watch that video because it will give you a good example of what the van is going to look like once it's finished. And this is the plan that I am going off in my head. This 3D plan I made on Plan Your Van, the website. So go check that video out, because then you'll envision, like I can, where everything is going to be and where all the lights need to go. So Dad's doing all the wiring up, and I am telling him where things need to go and how many lights we need in a certain room. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, it's not a tutorial. Just follow it as you will. And yeah, it's fairly simple, really. But again, it's not a tutorial. It's just really for entertainment. Okay, let's do it. We can put the roof up. We need to run the 12 volt wiring for the light bulbs. So we need to know where they're going to go. I roughly do. So one needs to go here. Or here. Yeah, there, anyway. I haven't got my glasses now. I haven't got my glasses or my wire stripper. As you can see, Dad's using these little connector thingies, which are hands down the best thing you can use to connect two wires together. Very cheap, off Amazon, and very, very useful compared to the old-fashioned, white blocks. That will come back up from the light switch. Sometimes you can loop it, but I don't bother. To your light. I don't know how we're going to hang it. So where do you want your light switch? How high up? Do another cable which will go for the reading light in your room, which will be a completely different cable. Another bit of tape there. Just hold it up until you put the roof up, won't it? The ceiling. Right, that's your light switch there, that's right. So we go from 2 to 3. Good these, aren't they? Yeah, with these I don't have to worry about the thought of them coming apart then. Yeah. Then we've got another live wire. See how complicated it is? Yeah, it's just beyond me. Another live wire, which this will be powering your... You can't take the live wire from the switch, because otherwise it will... You'd have to have the switch on to activate your reading light. Yeah, I mean? Yeah. So in a separate switch.
And this will be for your reading light, this one. And more tape. It's quite fiddly.
Yeah, because you had to break the wire, haven't you? So you got to join them back up now.
Yeah.
It's getting very wiry in here now. Why have you joined two negatives there?
Well, because that's going to join your light left and right there. See?
Hmm.
And this one's going back over to your reading light, for your reading light.
So we've got to leave these wires hanging, because when we put the roof up we've got to drill little holes to run them through. This is why all this wiring needs to be done before the roof goes up. And then we don't have to look at this bloody polystyrene ever again, hopefully.
And that's for your reading lights, both of ours, isn't it?
Moving on to lounge and kitchen lights.
Oh, fucked it now.
Right, so these wires need to come out a little hole here because the roof will not be able to slide back in with the wires here, and you wouldn't be able to get the wires. The wires will run along here, and there'll be a bit of trim between two bits of ply, which will cover that up. God damn it. Right, so we've got a hole there now, we just need to run this wire through.
Oh, I need a 3. Maybe. Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Let me work on that bit.
That's our first kitchen light.
Oh, I got to have the power in now. So that's your light switch there.
We've run our switch down. This will be where the bathroom wall will be, so it'll go against that. Then you've got to run some more wire back up, haven't you?
Yeah, just put that on there so I know it's the main 12 volt. It makes my job easier afterwards. Can do it just with a tester, but it's just quicker if I marked it out. I'll try all this at home. Right, now this is going to your lights now. That's got to go back up.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. That's your main down. And this is going off to your lights now, so it'll go across there to that one, won't it?
Yeah.
You've got enough slack there, yeah? Can you get rid of the scissors and I'll cut that? It's a nice cable, this. No, it's not copper, but look how thick it is. Stop the
Doesn't need to be copper, does it?
voltage drop off. It's aluminium. It's what most pylons are made out of, aluminium. Imagine that, how much it would cost if they run pylons in copper. Right.
Everyone would take them down and steal the copper.
Mm. And Yeah, it's nice and tight. Lovely. Joint. Oh, that's it. Okay. Got enough to do Mum's room now. Here, for your secondary light. Oh, that was that way a little bit, but it doesn't matter. It don't have to be perfectly.
No.
Because sometimes that's what people do. They put one there, one there,
Yeah.
one there.
There's our 2 kitchen lights done. Now onto the bathroom.
Kitchen lounge, isn't it?
Yeah, / lounge.
Hmm.
That's the switch. Where's the light?
Huh? I've got to put the light in.
Yeah.
But I need a cable to go back up now. And that will go to the light. What one?
Yeah, probably in the middle of that.
Wires.
The light will be in the middle of that.
Oh, can't you just run it through underneath the polystyrene?
Yeah.
You get what I mean?
We ran out of red, so we've had to use some thinner red. Oh, roof's about to cave in.
It's only for a short distance, so it won't make any difference.
Yeah, we've ran. This is our bathroom light now. So that's our live through. Just run our negative. That's our bathroom light. Mum's wire now. Not this one, this is the light switches on the dash.
Yeah, it's completely different.
But this is Mum's switch.
That's going down to the light switch, so we do it there, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that enough? Yeah?
Yeah.
And then that's going back up to her light, which isn't long enough again. Is that what she wants on? For the reading light. So we only need the red at the moment to go back up. Right, that's going to the light.
Oh God.
Do you want to take that? What is it, a cup of tea?
No.
Do you want to take?
Just finishing up Mum's room now.
That's Mum's light there.
Yeah. This is Mum's light here, and then we just need to do our reading light over there now.
Take that over to a read.
Sort of our lights hanging. Look, there's quite a lot. Quite a lot of cables hanging about. Right, so now we just got to test all these wires and make sure power's getting to them all, because we don't want to put the roof back up and then find out, oh, the light's not working. So we're testing all these wires by plugging them into the battery just temporarily.
Yeah.
That's one.
Yeah. That's it.
All the lights are working.
Everything's connected and working.
That's one. But there's two we need to get through. Yeah, there you go. That's our switch wires. So that will run along the wall. Don't have to do the bathroom switch because that's going to be coming down in the middle. That'll be a hole in the roof for that one. This wiring fell down, so we had to try and figure out what the hell everything was again. Stuck up with duct tape now. This was...
I think it's because went over bumps.
Mm.
And you've got your black earth now.
the last one to stick up. God, there's wires everywhere.
Exactly. Put some of that.
Yeah, it needs to go in there.
Oh, it's because it's too late.
Drilled another hole here for Mum's reading light. This is Mum's switch. This is her main light. And this is the lights that you switch on at the dash. So this is there's two internal lights that you switch on at the dash there.
You pass me a...
So we want this first one over here, the entrance, the side door. So we turn it on, you know, when we're about to go in the back and it's dark. And then we've also got one at the rear which we put underneath Mum's bed. So that will light up the back doors as well. So we're just going to extend these cables because they aren't long enough to reach there.
That's your red to it.
It's our cable extended. Now we just need to hang that over there. Little bit of wire we have left to extend these cables. This one will run underneath Mum's bed. So the bed will be here to here and then probably like that level sort of. So it just needs to run down there. So that is our rear dash lighting cable extended, and that will go underneath Mum's bed once it's there. Well, that's it. As you can see, all of our 12-volt lighting is done. The 12-volt power for like charging things and stuff, that will be in another video. I haven't even begun that yet. And the 240. But this needs to be done, obviously, because we need to put the roof back up. Yeah, the wires, they're not going to interact with the polystyrene. Don't worry about that. They've got a special like cover on them. It's very rubbery. It's not rigid and it's really squishy, and it insulates them perfectly to polystyrene. So it's going to be no effect. But in the next video, we're going to pick this roof back up and drill the holes for the light wires, and then eventually there'll be another video where we will install our 12-volt lights and then connect them up to all these wires that we've run. But yeah, that's pretty much it with our 12-volt wires for our lighting. It's fairly simple if you know what you're doing, and they all work brilliantly. So yeah, we've had really no problem. Hope you all enjoyed. Give it a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.